Hi, here's the small walkthrough how we use Babel Translation plugin. So if you go to Figma and run the plugin, the initial screen give a prompt to enter DeepL authentication key. DeepL has the free API and you can use it up to like 500,000 words or characters to translate. And here's the link. We click on that, get to the DeepL page. Here you need to create an account. I'll use mine and I'll show you how to get a key. So the page where you end up, if you scroll down, there is the authorization section and here's your key. You just grab all of it, copy it, paste it in Babel Translation plugin, click Save. So now you can translate. And because the plugin will overwrite all the text, so it's better make a copy. So let's say we want to make German copy out of the screen, and with the plugin you can translate either like single element, a group of elements, or just the entire screen. So let's start with a single one as an example, or maybe like, yeah, multiple ones. I pick those two, and I will keep the auto, so it will detect the language I use, and I'll translate to German. So I click translate, and here we have translated to German. The same way I can just pick the entire screen, click translate again, all the text translated to German. Of course, it's hard to keep the layout, so you probably will need to adjust yourself a bit. And here we have a settings as well, so if you need, you can change the DeepL authentication key as well as preferred formality for translations. So this feature available for some languages, and I don't remember exactly, but you might need to have like pro version of DeepL to be able to use the formality. But once you choose it, you say, I want to go more formal, and click back, and it will remember all the settings, and yeah, you can get back to that. That's it, thanks.